Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by tuning to standard E and confirming intonation, because accuracy makes the riff sit correctly in the mix. Once tuned, position your pick and hand for a relaxed attack. It reduces string noise. Begin the main 2-bar riff at a reduced tempo, focusing on clean fretting and even picking. Practice just the first beat-to-beat motion until it's consistent, then gradually increase speed. This first actionable work builds muscle memory and reveals spots that need targeted repetition. Once the riff feels steady, focus on the rhythm parts and their transitions, because that's where songs breathe. You should isolate chord shapes and the key hammer-ons, drilling each move until transitions are smooth for 8-bar phrases. Make sure to alternate palm-muted verse strokes and open chorus strums to match dynamics. This contrast creates drive. Use a metronome, increasing from 60 to 80 to 100 BPM, and record short takes so you can listen back and correct timing or tone issues. To finish, assemble the riff, rhythm, and fills into full playthroughs so you hear how parts connect. This completes the arrangement. You'll polish dynamics, add small bends and fills, and dial amp EQ for presence without harshness. Run uninterrupted takes and mark any fatigue spots or timing slips, then target them with micro-practice. If problems remain, like buzzing, sloppy bends, or timing, slow the section, swap pick thickness, or check saddle action. This troubleshooting pins down the cause and clears the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.